Hi, we are the student of Government Polytechnic Yavatmal. Myself Diksha Ingre.
Myself Vaishnavi Belgamwar.
Myself Priyanshu Upadhyay.
Myself Nivida Khandare.
Myself Amisha Jangilwar.
We are here to present our project on IoT-based accident detection system.
First of all, this is our hardware portion of our project. In this we will use GPS. Global Positioning System is a satellite-based navigation system and it was actually maintained by the United States. It states the longitude and latitude of current location. Ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor generates the ultrasound energy. This senses the distance between two obstacles. Vibration sensor information. Vibration sensors are sensors for measuring, displaying and analyzing linear velocity, displacement and proximity or acceleration. Processor Node MCU. Node MCU is an open source IoT platform. It initially included firmware which runs on the ESP8266 Wi-Fi SoC from system and hardware which was based on the ESP12 module. We combine all these components together for accident detection system. This combination calls APF when accident detected. Then the server-side programming language handle all database operation which use PHP language. On the other hand, there is the application of accident between systems. This application was designing using XML and processing using Java language. This application was registered by the user and send user data to the server.
This is an Android application of our accident detection system. First, user have to register on this app. So click on add new user, then fill all the personal details which include enter your first name, last name and the mobile number which you want to register. Then enter device ID of module and then enter 5 emergency contact which you want to add, and it is compulsory to add at least one emergency contact. After filling all the emergency details and personal details, you can get successfully registered to the application. And here is some important instruction that you must be followed during driving.
This is our accident detection system model. In this model, we use a processor Node MCU, which is open source IoT platform. This is a vibration sensor, which senses the frequency of shock. This is a ultrasonic sensor, which senses the distance between two obstacles. And this is our GPS module, which tracks the current location. So here, we supply the power to our processor, and these blue light blinks, which indicate that our GPS module is in range and ready to track the current location. When the vibration sensor senses the shock occur due to accident, then this green light indicates that.
So, first of all, there is no message from server of our project. When accident occur, then the distance of ultrasonic sensor would be 0. And the vibration sensor get heavy shock. When these two conditions got fulfilled, then accident detection system consider that accident occur. At the same time, GPS detect the current location and notify to all the emergency contact that user was entered after clicking on the given link, and the exact location of user known to the emergency contact.